air temperatures hike their way to near 30. Cut the air temperatures for the afternoon in half. That'll give us our wind chill factor for the afternoon. So bundling up today, wind chill factor, snow or not, going to be very important as we battle through some hazardous conditions. You don't want to get stuck on the side of the road with no layers in freezing cold weather. Not ideal, of course. We have the potential to see some of those heavier snow showers and squalls move in across the Champlain Valley, northern New York, and parts of the Northeast Kingdom between lunchtime and about 4 o'clock this afternoon. As this band of snow slides east-southeast, it weakens and then dissipates. But just because it's weakening doesn't mean there won't be any slick spots across southern Vermont in the upper valley. We all should be on the lookout for some slippery spots for the evening drive home. Skies clear out in a big way overnight, with the exception being southern Vermont. A good look at the almost full snow moon before sunrise Wednesday morning. But if you're getting a full view of that moon outdoors, bundle up. Feeling like the teens to near 20 below with that wind chill Wednesday morning.